Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about how to start making pixel art. Okay, but let's talk what pixel art is in fact. Well, it's a form of digital art drawn with graphical software where images are built using pixels. It's pretty simple. It's mostly used in video games that you may have played in the past, and it's an easy way to create assets for non-artistic souls because you are most of the time restricted to certain amount of pixels. So let's start the video. Alright, so what type of device you actually need to start making pixel art? Well, it can be pretty much anything apart from console, unfortunately, but don't leave me yet, you can make pixel art on your phone as well as on PC if you don't have one. In my opinion though, I highly recommend using computer or laptop. Okay, so we know that we will be using PC for our pixel art, but where can I make pixel art? In Paint? No, of course not. There is plenty of softwares you can use for free or you can buy one if you are willing to spend the money, but just don't choose Paint. Let's talk about the free ones first. Here you can choose from many softwares, but the best ones, at least in my opinion, are Gimp or Piskel. Gimp is more complicated than Piskel, but it gives you more flexibility when it comes to art, although it's harder to learn as well. Piskel, on the other hand, is really easy and intuitive to use, and it has clean UI, so you won't have problem to find anything. Overall, I would recommend using Piskel instead of Gimp, simply because its pure purpose is to make pixel art, and of course, it's much easier in usage. When it comes to paid softwares, my personal favorite is Aseprite. I don't think something can beat it, and it's probably the way to go. As well as Piskel, its purpose is to create pixel art, but it's just on another level. Its UI is clean and simple, and it has a lot of pixel art specific tools, making it one of the best sprite editors you can find, and the price of the Aseprite is just $20, so it's really affordable. Okay, cool. You know what software you'll be using, so now let me give you some tips. As a beginner, I recommend using pre-made palettes instead of making your own. You'll save a lot of precious time and struggle, and you'll be able to focus more on your sprites. There is plenty of already made palettes on the internet, and one of the best sites that is always my go-to is Lospec. There will be a link to that site in the description, so you don't have to look for it on your own. Although, if you bought Aseprite, there is many palettes already built in for you to use as well. Okay, so another tip is to start your journey with pixel art creating something simple like an apple or a sword. There is no pressure on you to make astonishing sprites straight away. Pretty much everyone was making low quality sprites on the beginning, but with time, patience and practice, you will start seeing that you are getting better and better over time. The third tip I'll give you is to use references. Using references is crucial in pixel art. Check how other people did, for example, that apple sprite. Check what shape is their apple, how they made shades and what colors they used. Using references you can get an idea on how to draw the sprite yourself. Although using references doesn't mean copying someone else's art, so just look how others draw their art and make your own unique one. The common question people ask is what canvas size should they use for their pixel art. In fact, it's a matter of preference. Although it's easier to draw a sword in 32 pixels than in 64, so you may consider choosing a smaller size first, and of course you can always switch to the bigger one later. At last but not least, the motivation. Motivation is the biggest factor while starting pixel art. It's easy to lose when the work is tedious and you spend a lot of time for minor effect. But trust me, worse times come and go, and after all, you'll be proud of your work and achievements. So keep grinding, and I know you'll do great with pixel art. At the end, it would help me a lot if you hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and leave me a comment what you wished you know while starting pixel art. See you soon, Canme out.